Worth it ba ang business class ng Emirates? Tingnan natin. Good morning. Can you tour me?
Of course.
Welcome to my vlog, and today we're doing business class. So happy. First time ko to mag-business class, and saktong-sakto, I'm riding with Emirates, and ang layover ko ay dito sa Dubai. So perfect because nandito din yung pinakamalaking lounge. So I'm gonna give you guys a tour of my business class experience and the lounge here in Dubai. So yun, I'm so excited. Let's go! Hi guys, I'm already headed to the airport. I know this is a surprise, pero I chose to end my trip early because wala akong kasama, and honestly wala ako sa mood mag solo travel, and I only wanted to travel because I was traveling with Alec. Ayun guys, I'm gonna go home, but I'm so excited because mag-business class ako, and I'm just excited to go home. Parang feeling ko itong past 5 days, it felt like a month traveling. Di ko alam, is it the weather? Is it because I was traveling alone? Is it because ang dami namin ginagawa in one day? Honestly, hindi ko alam, and so I chose to go home early. Things happen for a reason, and that's okay. And I'm just happy that I was with you guys the whole time. Like, nagkausap ako. Honestly, kung di ako nag-vlog, baka matagal na ako umuwi. Charot. Anyway, so pauwi na ako ngayon. It's May 3. I'm gonna go home. Anyway, one last look of Spain. Here we go. Let's go! Bakit mawala si Alec dito? First time to experience business class of Emirates. So magbibigay ako sa inyo ng tips kung ano ba talaga yung na-experience kapag ganito. This is a POV vlog. Let's go! Yay! Malapit yung lounge sa gate. Yun yung gusto ko. Woohoo! Let's go! It's so good to shop here in Europe kasi merong tax refund. So you have to find the tax refund para mabalik lahat ng money mo sa mga shinaping mo. Fun fact, wala akong shinaping. Just a few pieces from Zara. Pero wala akong shinaping. So, that's sad. That's okay. Yan na yung tax refund. Machine tayo mag-tax refund. So, yung tax refund, receipt, tapos yung tax receipt para makuha nyo lahat to pabalik. So may extra daw na 15%, pero sa duty free dapat ko gastos. Perfect! Bibili pa ako sa duty free. Is the duty free here, or I need to take the train?
After taking the train, you have the biggest one.
Okay, so that's better.
You're going there because you're going to the S, right?
Yeah. Okay. Is that a bigger duty free? Okay,
yes,
perfect.
actually you are going to cross it.
Parting gates. That was fast. I'm not meant to shop this trip kasi yung shopping area sa Terminal 4, nasa Terminal 4S na ako. Wala nang shops dito except duty free. So, I'll probably buy later again before I leave. Pero, I got some chocolates lang. Perfecto, hindi pa ako nagla-lunch. So, tayo kumain muna. Paano chocolate, croissant, radish salad. Let our response be wala bang kanin. Drinks. Honestly guys, hindi ako nagpapakabusog kasi alam ko masarap yung pagkain sa business class. So, yun na lang ako kakain. Tingnan natin kung anong makakain ko dito. Oh, there's rice! Ready to sleep! Let's go! Ready to sleep. Batok na ako guys. 2-layer plane siya. So, ayun sa baba yung mga economy. Tapos I think dito sa taas yung first class and business class. You have different na entrance. Perfect. Ito yung mga kasama. We have comforter, guys. Hindi lang kumot, comforter. They also have a nice pillow here na may magandang texture. We have a TV. Dito yung control. But guys, you have to understand, ang laki ng TV na to. Ito yung kamay ko. Ayan siya kalaki. Malaki siya. Okay, this is my seat view. It's all window seat. Itong lane ko na to. Kasi ayoko ng katabi. So pag may katabi, dito ka. Tapos may katabi yan. They have free slippers. So ito yung slippers on board. You can leave your slippers dito sa ilalim. You have your higaan, okay? And then this one, yan, for your shoesies. So you can actually remove your shoes, put it here. We have Evian water, dalawa. We have our own Pepsi, 7-Up, Perrier, champagne. Yan, this is your own compartment where you can put your bag. Hindi lang siya sa lapag. Yung compartment. So you also have your HDMI, USB charger. Ito pang headphones. You have your charger, mga saksakan. These are your remotes here. You can remove this. Pwede kang mag-remote dyan. First time ko sumakay ng plane, hindi ko alam na hinihila siya. This one is your light. Nakita nyo ba? Nagkaroon ako ng back pain ng last time. Parang hindi ako magkaka-back pain dito. This feels so abundant. So they have warm towel. Oh my gosh. Let's check the menu first. Diyos, may wifi ako buong trip. Pili muna ako ng kakainin ko. Wifi. So on the menu, let's see. We have mocktails, juices, soft drinks. We also have, yan, mga cocktails. Oh my gosh, mamaya. We'll go to the bar later. And then we also have this. Beer, wine, Aperol Spritz. Okay, for lunch we have baked potato, spinach soup, traditional Arabic mess, smoked tuna with pisto. Yan, ko alam yung mga braised beef. If ever I want to drink, madaming options. That's what we want. Okay, perfect. Laruin na natin itong pwesto ko. Since malayo siya, pwede kong gawin is i-click to. Ayan, forward yun siya. Ito, if gusto mong ihiga, gusto mong recline, and gusto mong nakaupo. Try muna natin yung recline. Guys, ang masaya dito, I will not disturb the person sa likod ko. Mayroong pang block. Hindi siya maiinis kung hihiga ako or hindi. Plus, pwede kong i-full na ihiga. Ngayon, ganito muna habang nanonood ako. Oh my God, I can't believe nandito ako. I wanna also share with you that this is a reminder that whatever you want, you can manifest. Whatever you put your head into, you can manifest. Like, I remember going on the way here, nakasabay ko sila Tita Ea, and nasa business class sila. Tapos ako, one day, you know, I will be able to afford and also budget for my own business class. Little did I know, pauwi, naka-business class na ako. I had the opportunity to upgrade my seat. Good job! And I'm so happy with what I got. Yep. Grabe guys, alam nyo ba dito? Kapag ka business class, by first name kayo tatawagin. Like, alam nung attendant yung name mo. At saka kung may in-order ka na, gano'n. Like, kilala ka nila by name. Alam nila kung first time mo din sasakay, gano'n. They know if it's your first time na sumakay. So, amazing! Can you tour me?
Of course. So as you can see, this is the business class cabin, and we have here the lounge. As you can see, my colleague is preparing the lounge here. There we go. And we're gonna have like a multiple of drinks and cake, yeah, some snacks here. Here, the second part of the galley. So we have both sides to share the cabin in half, right and left. As you can see, we have like 4 toilets here for your own comfort. That's pretty much what we have in business class.
Emirates is the best business class.
Of course, it's not because of working with them, but from the experience, our customers' experience, we got a lot of compliments.
Yes. Guys, may free tour kayo. Nakita nyo naman, diba? Ang bait nila dito. Okay, tour natin. There's a lounge area. Cakes. Is it worth it ba ang business class ng Emirates? Tingnan natin.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down,
Thank you so much.
but we get up and start from the ground. And I keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
Good. Breakfast pa lang, diba? May inom na tayo. Alam niyo, feeling ko, mas masaya to ma-enjoy if may kasama ka. Actually, you guys, share ko lang sa inyo, I was torn between wearing something nice for this first business class trip and wearing something comfortable. And I wanna honor my rule, which is to wear black on flights. Hindi ko nalaban yung black pants ko because nga nakat short ko yung trip ko. So I didn't expect na I'll go home without laundry, which is yun yung airport fit ko. I'm just wearing like a very comfy loose pants, linen pants. Both from Zara. Pero ito, sobrang comfy nitong crop top ko. So we always go with comfort rather than outfit. Okay? Sarap nito ka. Parang yung flight na sobrang dami ko nainom. As in, sobrang dami talaga.
I saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way. And it's kind
Business class lounge here in Dubai. Let's go! Oh my God, hagad na ako, guys. Tignan niyo, hulas na hulas yung itsura ko. I'm ready to sleep. My spring clothes. When you're traveling, sa hand carry mo dapat yung damit kayong dala. Kasi hindi niyo sure kung matatapunan kayo. Kailangan mo maligo bigla, diba? So, guys, gusto niyo nagpalit ako ng damit. Same lang ng itsura as in. Oh, ganyan. Pero ito talaga yung damit ko. So, try natin magpalit ng top para maganda. Ito na lang para mas fresh, oh. May binili pala ako for Turkey. Napaka-cute. Kalat lang sa bahay. Diba? May dagdag kalat siya sa bahay. Ito. Kinder kasi favorite ko ito.
I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you.
Fresh. Iba yung outfit na yun. Pero mukhang pareho lang. Relaxed pants. This top. Tank top. Bag. Japan's. Let's go. Very American food. Kasi na-miss ko na kumain ng masarap. Charot. Yung only technique that I do para hindi ako ma-jet lag is that I time my sleep in the airplane. Pero later, hindi ko mapapromise na hindi ako makakatulog kasi una, ang comfy. Pangalawa, wala akong tulog ng last flight. Siguro mga 2 hours lang. So, 2 hours pa lang yung tulog ko the past, I don't know how many hours. Hindi ko sure kung hindi ako makakatulog. Pero ito na nga yung technique ko. Yung technique ko is that if I know that I'm arriving at night, dapat hindi ako matulog the whole day. If I know I'm arriving in the morning, then I have to sleep the whole flight before that arrival, yung sa final destination. So, hindi ako masyadong na-jet lag. Another thing that I like about this lounge is that may sariling boarding gate ang business class. Grabe. Ayun. Opo. Sorry, what's your name po? Clara. Clara. Yani po. Yani. Vacation pala. Yes. Sir Homer! Oh my gosh! Oh my... Ha?
Alam ko makaiba tayo na lugar, ah.
Ay, hello po! Nice to see you! Okay, another glass of champagne. Sabi ko na hindi na ako iinom, pero champagne na naman. May seatmate ako, si Miss Claudette. Sama ko kayo sa vlog ko. Promote nyo naman yung travel agency nyo. CV Travel. CV Travel. Malay mo, sila na ang hindi magpa-deny sa jowa ko. My 5th champagne for the day. For the past 12 hours. Just go. Good morning. May mga vegetarian options and luxury chocolate. Okay, so now meron tayong earphones as usual, pillow, menu, kumot. Nahulog ko ba? Basta merong pajama. Oh, thank you so much. Talaga? Bibigay ko sa jowa kong naiwan. So, we got goodies. Oh my gosh. Gusto ko tong goodies nila. Talaga po, sa akin yan ang binibigay ko. Ang saya naman ng may katabing mabait na tao. Okay, tour natin to. We have emulsion. Oh my gosh, finally may skincare. Ano to? Lip balm. Oh my gosh, lip balm. Social. Body lotion. Dental kit. May Dio pa. Aba, social. May Dio. We have tissue. Suklay. Here. Perfect. I love it. Dala na natin ito kay Alan. Bait ng seatmate ko.
Undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond